Now, let me also tell you about what happened to Mrs. Maria Enekwe, whose case was decided by the Supreme Court in 2014. Following her husband's death, Maria was asked by her father in law and her brother in law to vacate her matrimonial home on the grounds that under Oka customary law, Oka is the capital of present day Anambra State. Under that custom, that a widow without a male child has no inheritance rights. Maria challenged this practice in court. And the court had to look into the validity of this customary practice that denies inheritance rights to widows who do not have male children. And it had to make a decision as to whether such customary practice aligns with the principles of natural justice, equity, good conscience, and whether it is in conflict with our Constitution. The Supreme Court held that any custom that denies women, particularly widows, their inheritance rights is repugnant to natural justice and to equity and good conscience, and therefore cannot be enforced. The court condemned the practice and affirmed the widow's right to inherit her late husband's property. Maria was restored to her husband's property with her child. So, let's be clear. If you are practicing such, note that discriminative practices against women concerning inheritance particularly are not allowed in this land and must be stopped. And it has to be stopped because these practices against women and children leave widows and orphans who are ordinarily vulnerable, leaves them, exposes them to poverty and to exploitation, and it stunts the possibilities of a child fulfilling his or her potentials in the time to come.